This video is also most important to you because you will know a recipe of a very refreshing and hydrating drink that is beneficial especially in summer. First, know its benefits. We make it with cucumber and mint. Both things have cooling effects in them. Cucumbers offer several benefits. Cucumbers are composed mostly of water, making them an excellent choice to help you stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining overall health and supports various bodily functions such as temperature regulation, digestion, nutrients transportation. Despite their high water content, cucumbers also provide essential nutrients. They are good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamins K, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium. And the other thing is mint. Fresh mint offers several benefits. One significant benefit of fresh mint is its ability to support digestion. Mint contains menthol, which has a soothing effect. Now here I am going to tell you the recipe. We will take one cucumber and we cut it into tiny pieces, and here is petals, fresh mint petals. Some petals we will take, and 2 glasses of water. So first of all, we add these pieces into water, and we will blend it. So I am telling you something about the cucumber. So these nutrients play vital roles in supporting various bodily functions such as bone health, immune function, heart health, and antioxidant effects. These qualities are found in cucumber, and mint is also very beneficial. So we add these petals in this jug, and then we blend it with a blender. So then we blend it, you will see the thick form of this drink. And mint is also known to stimulate the secretion of digestive enzyme, which can enhance the digestion process. This is how we can make, and properly we will blend it. When we see the thick form and we see that all extracts of both ingredients like cucumber and mints all together, then we stop it and we serve it. So I think that is enough, and that's ready. I will pour it in the glass. That is very good for you, very refreshing and healthy. Another advantage of mint is its breath freshening properties. And chewing on fresh mint leaves or consuming mint infused products can help to remove bad breath. When these two veggies are used together, it becomes gorgeous drink.